Hi, today we're going to take a closer look at this Bullseye blower. This was provided by the brand Bullseye for possible review. We like it, we want to show it to you. Take it away, Matt.
All right, you may have seen this on TV and some advertisements. This is the Bullseye blower. This is basically a handheld portable blower. You can use it as a leaf blower or just for cleaning off things, blowing snow off your car even. The kit comes with two batteries. The batteries are 20-volt batteries, by the way, so these are really powerful. You also have your wall charger unit, and you also have an accessory here. This is just an extender to bring the air closer to the ground if you're blowing leaves or something. The motor spins at a really, really impressive 24,000 RPM, and it definitely, you can feel it kicks back when you pull the trigger, and it really blows some air out of here. So we're going to go ahead and put this into some tests with some applications and see how well it performs. All right, we're going to put on this attachment here. You just put it on and give it a little twist. You can see it easily clears out this mulch. All right, we're going to set a rock up here. I'm just curious if it's going to blow that rock. Oh, yeah, easily. Okay, we're going to try another application. I'm going to put some water on here like we were doing a car wash. Just want to see if it does a good job of blowing dry the vehicle. All right, that's the Bullseye blower machine here. Very good as a leaf blower, cleaning out your garage, blowing cobwebs out of the high corners, drying off the car, as you can see, cleaning up the yard. You think of it, I'm pretty sure this thing will be able to do it.